Hi everyone. In this video I am going to explain about a logical program, how to find the factorial for the given number. First of all, suppose if they have given the number is a 5. What is that factorial? How to find the factorial? Simple. Either we do 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 or 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, because we write that 5 factorial is like 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. But programmatically this will give the same output and this will give the same output. So we have to repeat the loop from 1 to n or n to 1. Any order is okay. But every time, suppose n is equal to 5, if you repeat up to n, every time we are multiplying with 1. Please don't take 0, because we need to perform multiplication. Any number you just multiply with a 0, then the final value becomes 0. So if you multiply with 1, is a 1 into 1 is a 1. Next 1 into 2 is a 2. Next 2 into 3 is a 6. 6 into 4 is a 24. 24 into 5 is a 120. We are just performing the multiplication operation. So how can we write the final code? I am taking the number. What is the number? It's your wish. Anything you can take. Here, just for explanation sake, I am taking the example is a 5. We need to repeat the loop for integer I equals to 1, I less than or equals to n, I plus plus. Repeating the loop from 1 to n. Every time you need to multiply with the factorial value. So initially you have to take that fact with the value 1. Inside we are writing that fact is equal to fact is multiplied with I. Fact equals to fact into I. So this is the operation we are doing. And finally we are printing the fact value. Don't print the value inside. Once you have completed the finding the factorial, the final value you have to display. Okay, this is the simple way of finding that factorial value logic. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel.